Let's turn her around. All right, guys, you know how I like to play this game. Is it a seated or is it a barber? Come on, everybody guess. Seated or barber dime? I found a park real close to where I live, and it used to be an old farm, and I think I got a silver, and I think it's foreign. It's 1964. And I think it says, I don't know, it's Canadian or it's English. It's Canadian. I see the Canadian on there. Cool. 10 cents maybe. All right. Same park, just a few feet away from that Canadian dime. I was hitting a pull tab, but I figured, you know what? Maybe it's a nickel. Got the pull tab out and got a Wheatie. So that is cool. I love blockers. Beat up old Wheatie, but I see that 1 cent. Ooh, that was screaming. Just pulled like a memorial over here, but oops. You gotta love when your research pays off. Right next to the creek, another Wheatie. I think someone's been here before, but I pulled out the 15-inch coil, so maybe I'm a little luckier. And I'm hitting spots that I don't think the regular detectorist would go into. All the open spots seem like it's only clad, but I'll take the Wheatie. Maybe later we'll get see if we can clean it up and get date off. All right, we got another Wheatie signal in the hole. Maybe just outside the hole. Woo, my water's leaking. All right, I don't know just what happened. Sorry about that. Let me turn on my pinpointer. And we had another Wheatie signal here, like a 23. But you never know. I wouldn't be surprised if, wow, 23 would jump. I mean, silver would jump out. What the heck is Thomas rambling on about today? All right, we got another 23 signal here next to the first Wheatie. Oh, the soil is so nice. You could tell it was an old farm. And it's right here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Yep, it's a penny. And looks like we might be able to get the date off of it. $1945? 1965. So that makes it it's a memorial, but it's older than me. A Wheatie and an old memorial. Cool. All right. Hey, welcome to Destination Treasure. My name's Thomas the Detectorist. Today is 90 degrees. I'm in Monmouth County, New Jersey. I'm gonna meet up with Robert, and we're back at that, if you watched the video or two ago, I hit 2 silver quarters in a row. Robert got a mercury dime right next to it. We're back in that area, so it's historical. So hopefully we'll find something good today. Cool. All right, let's rock. All right, there he is. I just got to get over there. All this crazy traffic coming by. I'll get there. All right, first signal, quarter. The dreaded 1965. 1 year earlier would have been silver. All right, babies.
It's raining silver!
A really old silver, and she looks beautiful. It's a dime. Let's go check it out. All right, there she is. Let's turn her around. All right, guys, you know how I like to play this game. Is it a seated or is it a barber? Come on, everybody guess. Seated or barber dime? Oh, 1889. Sweet silver. I knew today was going to be a good day. Robert's a genius, man. He finds really, really good spots.
And this metal detecting show is brought to you by the letter N.
Hey everybody, came back to the bay. I was kind of like on a little silver hot streak after hitting all those Wheaties, so I figured I'd give my happy place a shot. And I think I got a nice high tone. Got 2 Wheaties in the same area. Let's check it out. Cross your fingers. All right. Got 2 Wheaties right there. And I got a silver signal. Could be a penny. Oh, hold on a second, guys. Let me turn off my pinpointer. Actually, let me put it back in my pocket. It's got a crack in it, so I can't get it wet. Let's see, let's see. Ooh, she's got the look. She's got the look. Let's be gentle with this, because they're older over here. What do we got? What do we got? What do you guys see? What do you guys see? Mercury. Sweet. Rang up like a 23. And this is what you call salt water silvers. We got to clean it up really kind of to get a date off of it. So hopefully it's 1916. Yeah. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? All right, I'm over by the French section. Just pulled out a big fishing lure over here. And as I was filling my hole back up, ooh, I got another signal. Come on, this is an old spot. Nope. Silver George. Let's go wash it off. Dimes are nice, but silvers are even better. Silver quarters. Looks like 1954, guys. Eagle back. Second silver for the day. All right, let's keep them rolling. All right, I'm rocking the French section. I got a badge. This is becoming my favorite spot on the beach here. That's where the gold ring, cent dimes, the French medallion. Wow, look at that. All right, guys, I don't want, oh, maybe it's a Boy Scout? It looks silver. Oh, that is so cool. All right, I'm gonna try not to scratch it up. So I'll clean it up, and well, it's heavy too, man. You know what? Maybe it's lead, but it's cool as sugar. All right, awesome. All right, Sunday morning, heading to the spot.
Secret spot.
Secret spot.
Secret location.
Wish us luck. All right, back in the woods with Robert, because like I said, he does his research and the coins come out better in this soil. So check it out. I got a silver, 26. There's the hole. Pretty deep. There's the foundation to the house. And we got a Mercury. This one should clean up a little nicer than what it looks like. This soil is a little sandy though. We're not too far from the ocean. I wonder what year that is. All right, cool. Let's go. Destination treasure. Let's find some gold. All right, got a 26 signal right here using the 15-inch coil.
And we got a cool old car. Probably the 20s or 30s, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Oh, maybe not. Maybe it looks more like the 40s. All right, Robert finds a bike, and a tree has grown through the middle, and it's an old Roadmaster, right?
Yep. Roadmaster.
That's cool.
That's an old bike.
I know they still make them though.
Really?
Yeah, I just sold one on
Roadmaster?
OfferUp or something. Yeah. All right, a little D-buckle. Not sure of the dates and how old these are, but still a cool find. Oh boy. In the front yard of the old farmhouse, there's a Lamborghini. Or maybe it's a Lotus. Cool. And the surface find. All right, so this was ringing up really nice. Look at that. Looks cool. All right. Right there, too. How many times did we go over that, right?
Yep. I've been there like 3 times already.
Ooh, that one's in nice condition, too.
Yeah, until I looked at it.
Yeah.
Oh,
18... I see 76, maybe? So that would be 100-year centennial coin, bro. Sweet. All right, Robert and I are killing it back here. I got some kind of button. Can't quite make it out. We're gonna, oh, there you go. We got the Eagles. It's Army. Cool.
Love is blindness, I don't wanna see. Won't you wrap the night around me? Take my heart, it's blindness.